Dr. Husnain Mahdum from Pakistan. Dr. Husnain, are you there? We can hear your voice. Doctor, we can hear your voice. Doctor, I think you have a problem in your headphone. Doctor, you are not audible. Doctor, if you have a technical problem, we have a next speaker from Spain. Doctor, we can see your slide, but you are not audible. Thank you, doctor. Thank you. You have a technical problem. We will give you opportunity later. Now we have a next speaker from Spain, Dr. Shprese Delija from Spain. She is a researcher and publishers of. She published several research papers in international journals. Now we would like give the opportunity to Dr. Delija from Spain.
Hello.
Hello, we can hear you, doctor.
Yeah. Good morning. Good afternoon to everyone, to the speakers, to the organizers, but also to the audience as well. Those who have made their way to come and listen to us. Thank you very much. Would you mind just showing my PowerPoint?
Doctor, you have the opportunity you can share from the air.
Oh. Yeah, I cannot do that because there is no option here. Yeah. Okay, so I'll start and then I can show it to you later. So for today, I'm going to talk about obstacles that the students of master program face in writing their thesis by the end of the school year and by the end of their studies. Now, as you said, so I'm Professor Delija, Shprese Delija. Actually, I'm not from Spain, but I'm from Albania, and I teach at the Tirana University, which is the capital of Albania, a small but very beautiful country. So before start,
thank you. You may share your presentations. You have the opportunity. You may share your presentation.
I'm through my phone, and there is no option here. That's why.
Yeah. Now I will try. I will try to.
But yeah, I can talk about that, and I mean, so. But let's continue, and then I can post it again to you. So, just to not to lose time. So
now you may share your presentation now.
Okay, I'll do that. Just a moment, please.
That's okay.
Okay. No, it doesn't show. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much for for sharing. Thank you. Um, so first, what is academic writing, which is actually very, very important that it starts not only at the university level, but earlier than that, for students to get the skills of writing academically. So academic writing is an essential aspect of higher education that demands students to communicate their ideas, arguments, and research findings in a clear, concise, and coherent manner. However, academic writing can be challenging for many students due to various reasons, such as lack of knowledge about the subject matter, poor writing skills, insufficient time, management skills, and other skills as well. Despite these challenges, it is possible for students to overcome them and excel in academic writing. So in this lecture, we will explore some of the common challenges that students face while writing academically their own thesis. We will also highlight some tips and strategies that can help students improve their writing skills and produce highly qualitative academic papers. So this is crucial to be known by us as professors who teach, especially in higher level at the university. So why is it important? First of all, to overcome all these challenges, students must develop their critical thinking and analytical skills by engaging in thorough research and thoughtful analysis of sources. Furthermore, they must prioritize clarity in their writing while following proper citation guidelines to maintain academic integrity. Overcoming these academic writing challenges requires, first of all, dedication and effort, but can lead to significant improvements in overall writing ability. What are the struggles that students face while writing their own thesis, master program thesis, or PhD thesis? So when it comes to writing an essay, Students often struggle with a variety of challenges related to academic writing, like, for example, issues with essay structure, clarity, critical thinking, analysis, argumentation, citation, but also grammar and proofreading. Another important aspect is ensuring that your arguments are well supported by evidence and that you use proper citation methods as well. Additionally, critical thinking skills are crucial for developing strong arguments and analyzing complex ideas. To avoid common mistakes in grammar and syntax, proofreading is essential in order to produce a polished, finished work or product. By working through these challenges systematically and consistently applying good writing practices throughout the process, students can develop their academic writing skills and become more confident writers. And they come up with very profound product. How to unblock your thoughts in academic writing? When faced with the challenges of lack of ideas in academic writing, one effective solution is to overcome creative block by brainstorming. So at the very beginning, we teach our learners how to brainstorm. So brainstorming allows writers to generate ideas and connections between them. Another solution is to improve communication skills by seeking feedback from peers and professors as well, which can help identify areas where more information is needed. Another skill that we should offer to our students is to prepare them how to take down notes. So note-taking is also an important aspect of overcoming a lack of ideas. And it helps writers to capture their thoughts and organize information in the right way they just want to. And outlining is also very helpful in organizing ideas and identifying the problems. So these are very important. What are the steps to success, to be successful in our writing process? First of all, to analyze, to brainstorm, to research, to plan, to draft, and then to revise, and then to provide your writing with the reasonable references or bibliography. What to consider while writing? The audience is very important to be considered. The tone, so what kind of language we are going to address. The content, the perspective, and the aim, why we are writing this kind of piece of writing. It might be an article, or it might be a research paper, or a kind of survey or study. Keywords in academic writing to be used: planning, critical thinking, references, and well-supported points like the structure of your writing, the layout, the evidence-based arguments, logical development, which is the language, and grammar, which has to do with editing, which is now, thanks to those that have programmed the laptops or computers, we can do it very, very quickly and fast. So first, we teach students to write paragraphs, and paragraphs give your writing the structure. Each paragraph should cover one idea or one aspect of an idea. So a paragraph should be as long as short as it needs to be to express the main idea of this paragraph. Topic sentence and controlling idea. The most general sentence in a paragraph is to be found in the first sentence of the paragraph. Every sentence in the paragraph should support the topic sentence. So to be too specific and too general as well. Which one we are going to choose? So what I can address you is just to be specific in what you write. So the sentence is a sequence of words that begin with a capital letter and ends in a full stop, or period. The sentence must take or must make sense as a single unit, and that's why it's important for us to teach our students to create an objective, confident voice, like, for example, use the third person, consider the use of tenses, etc. So here you can find some of the examples as well to make it clearer. Use appropriate language for the audience as well. And editing is very important. And what should I look for is to look for the voice. Who is the target audience? Is the voice appropriate? Cohesion. Are the ideas connected and flow together or not? Referencing. Are you referencing to the right authors? Have you been very critically? And then go to the editing techniques to correct them. So the characteristics of academic style are the three ABCs, which means accuracy, brevity, and clarity. They are very important. Strategies are relevant, to be organized, and to follow academic conventions as well. To improve productivity in academic writing, we should follow the strategies, honing our writing skills to be essential and to be heard and to be analyzed. So this means investing time in understanding assignment instructions, developing logical organization, and engaging in self-reflection to identify areas of improvement. Objectivity is very, very important. So how objective we are in our writing. So avoid the narrow subjectivity. Not everyone will agree with your argument, but these are your own ideas. Structure your writing to show that you are questioning and analyzing your sources. Try to be more objective. So it is clear from the above discussion that without greater redistribution of wealth, for example, world economic growth will slow, etc., etc. So you give some examples to them to identify the objectivity of their writing. Then we should talk about the hedging, for example. So this proves that the for example, banking crisis of 2007 was caused by supreme mortgages, or let's say this is over certain. But also another example is this suggests that supreme mortgages were a key factor in participating the banking crisis in 2007, etc. So providing our students as a conclusion, we can say that providing our students with the writing skill, academic writing skills, since at the very beginning of the course, they are going to be more prepared to come up with the desired product, but also useful, reasonable, and applicable to our studies or to our research work that we are going to do with our students, not only, but also with colleagues in our universities and beyond our universities as well. Thank you so much. So I'm open to your discussion points or to your questions as well. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Doctor, for your kind presentations. From audience, if you have any questions, Doctor is here with us. You can do it. Otherwise, we have our next speaker from Bangladesh, Dr. Pradhan Mehboob Ibn Siraj. If you have any questions, you can do it. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you.
Thank you so much.